Hello, Part 15 deals with layout reuse. We explain this approach using buttons. Instead of creating layouts for each button here, we use the same layout, and using BANanoLoadLayoutArray, we are able to get a root layout and change its properties. First, we create a parent V container layout that will host our buttons. This has 5 rows, each having 6 columns, each column spanning 2 spaces. We need to have a component page to load our root layout, so we create a new view. In this view, we will initialize it and then add the buttons we need. This approach ensures that we can add buttons anywhere in our app without having to create a new layout each time. We have 3 layout variants, one for the fab, one for the button and another for left and right icon buttons. For this, we have created a module that has our reusable layout code. We use the BANanoLoadLayoutArray method to achieve this. For the button, for example, the layout name is button. We load the layout, get its custom views and then get the view we want from it and update its properties. In the designer, we don't set any properties for the custom element. We will do this at runtime. We load the layout to an existing temporal element called append holder. There is only one element inside the layout, called button. We ensure we get this. We change the button caption, set the ID attribute and set other properties we need. If on the calling module there is a click event, this gets linked before the element state and methods are bound. Let's add a click event for one of the buttons. Because we have a click event added on our calling module, this will fire when we run our app next time. The returned component type returned by this method is a Banano element. So the method returns a Banano element, we get this and then inject the HTML to the container matrix at R2, C6. Let's check our button click event. This does not seem to work. Now I remember, we activated service workers, we need to refresh the page. There we go, the snack bar now shows. We created other methods in our code module to ensure that we are able to reuse layouts. This avails a lot of possibilities for us, the less layouts the better, and we can just control their user interface via code. For example, the floating button layout has a VBTN and a V-icon. We can change the button and icon properties via code and use the layout for other fabs also. This is the awesomeness that Banano brings. This covers part 15 of this tutorial.